How much you sought maintenance?
3.5 lakhs rupees per month.
Husband, divorce petition proceedings were filed, so husband should marry.
No. There was a huge humiliation. I have joined one company wherein my salary was been fixed, and I have given income tax about 33 lakh rupees per annum.
Why do you want maintenance from husband?
Sorry.
Why do you want? First of all, you are earning. You're given 90 lakhs maintenance, 90,000 per month maintenance. What else you want?
Milord, it's not
Granting interim maintenance is something else.
Yes.
Now everything is now insignificant. What is this? Now all your ego tussles. And wasting
as
cost.
of he is getting 8 crore rupees. That family court has wrongly taken into 6 lakh rupees.
The evidence that he is getting 8 crores.
In the family court.
You bought everything.
Milord, to meet the standards, Milord.
Because the party is in a position to engage the advocate just like that litigating. Wow, the purpose of it is all something else. Not for people who have money and who want to fight and go around the courts. What is impugned order?
Impugned order at paper book number 2. Page number.
No, when the main application itself is going to be disposed of, what is this appeal now?
Well, this is with respect to interim maintenance of 90,000 rupees has been awarded. Considering his, but that family court has not taken into consideration his annual income of 8 crore rupees per annum. And he himself has given one salary slip, which shows that he is getting only 6.
How much you sought maintenance?
3.5 lakhs rupees per month.
What do you do?
On that day I was not doing anything. I have joined the company, not able to work.
What is your qualification?
My qualification is MBA in some abroad, Mela. I am well qualified. That is not in dispute. I was having
husband divorce petition proceedings were filed, so husband should marry.
No. There was a huge humiliation. My entire company was closed. I was not able to go through with my work. Thereafter, I joined 3 companies. 3 companies also. My work efficiency was not up to the mark because of the mental stress. So they gave me option to leave the company. I have left the company. Now, once again, I have joined the company where my annual income I have placed. All my annual income was around 55 or 60 lakh rupees at the point of marriage. Now it has come down to minus. And thereafter, recently in the last year, I have joined one company wherein my salary was been fixed, and I have given income tax about 33 lakh rupees per annum.
Why do you want maintenance from husband?
Sorry.
Why do you want maintenance from husband?
Well, from 2016, after my marriage, I was not able to work, and they have not allowed me to work also. And there was a violence which has occurred between this, and due to the mental stress, I was not able to work till 22 hours.
What's the purpose of this application is under section 24 and 25?
24 is the maintenance, my lord. It was filed in the year 2018, my lord. 18. At that point of time, my income was going minus. It is not, no.
This is filed in the year 2022.
2022 is the renumbered, madam.
Let's see, the original divorce petition was filed.
Wait and ask you. Yes.
Original divorce petition was filed by the husband in the year 2000.
When was her IA for maintenance?
Maintenance, it's in the 18, I think. 18. 12 to 2018, madam.
In between, how many times you worked and you stopped?
Sorry.
How many times you worked from 18 to 24?
About 5 companies I worked. All the 5 companies, they have given me clear intimation about not working. And I worked for as a freelancer also to get
children out of the wedlock?
No children out of the wedlock. There was a stress which was being built in up to 2009.
So first of all, you are earning. You're given 90 lakhs maintenance, 90,000 per month maintenance. What else you want?
Milord, it's not 90,000 to the standards, Milord. It is his annual income is 8 crore rupees per annum, and he suppresses that material and produces one of a salary slip contending that he has only 6 lakh rupees per month salary. In the page number 499 itself, my lord, the trial court clearly gives.
What are your expenditures?
My lord, assets and liabilities of
more and what the purpose of granting interim maintenance is something else.
Yes.
Now everything is now insignificant. What is this? Now all your ego tussles and wasting court's time.
That is off the record. It might be true, but here Despite earning, he has not given anything, only 15,000 as of the interim direction given by this honorable court, 15 lakh
So
rupees.
this 90,000 will relate back to 2018.
If it relates back to 2019 also, my lord, 2018, his salary, his income itself comes to around 4 crore and odd. As per, as page 499 itself, it is stated, my lord. 499 may be looked
Please
at.
say, what are your expenditure? Please show that to the court. Something which is beneficial for a lady is been exploited like this.
My lord, my car loan stands to 31 lakhs 46,202, man. And my hand loan starts to 9 lakh rupees. And my expenditure per monthly maintenance towards myself and my father. My father is 50,000 rupees for injury and medical expenses approximately per month, and 20,000 towards my mother.
But that also husband has to maintain.
No, my maintenance. No, that way we have not sought. We have sought about 50,000 rupees as a rental income at Bangalore, because I stay, means after my marriage, I came back to my brother's house and I was staying in my brother's house as until today. That house belongs to my brother. So it is the responsibility of the respondent herein to provide me a house of standards of little bit standards of his living. His living is much higher than what is expected, and there are my transportation and litigation expenses has raised because there are four places where the litigations are. One is Bangalore and one is Bombay. In Bangalore, there are 3 in High Court, in matrimonial case, in MMTC, and in family court. There are litigations filed. In family court, also he is day-to-day proceedings and day-to-day proceedings. I have to go from
All the courts have no other work but to take care of your both your
no,
cases.
not like that. I am agitated. It's only this, my lord. As of he is getting 8 crore rupees, that family court has wrongly taken into 6 lakh rupees.
The evidence that he is getting 8 crores.
In the family court finding itself, she has extracted the income of the respondent husband, my lord. At page number 499 may be looked into, my lord.
Then we're having extracted that, why did the court say it is 6 lakhs?
And that is what 8,000 per annum, it comes to the conclusion wrongly, my lord. That is what
Where is that?
at page, read out. In additional affidavit of the assets and liabilities of the petitioner reveals that he is a managing director of Global Capital Market Division at Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited. According to the petition, his monthly income is 8 lakhs 80,000 income tax returns of the petitioner for the assessment year 2019-20 discloses that his gross total income is 4 lakhs 14,200, 4 crores 14 lakhs 20,536. Copy of the IT returns for the assessment year 2021 shows that income of the petitioner at 4 crores 6 lakhs 57,930. Similarly, IT returns pertinent to the assessing year 21-22. 22-23, 23-24 clearly reveals that the income of the petitioners at 5 crores 88 lakhs 81,290 and 7 crores 56 lakhs 81,480, 8 crores 8 lakh rupees 15,550. In next paragraph.
Your expenses. Let's see what are your
Household-
expenditure.
Yes.
Page number
Household-
237.
Household 50,000 rupees. Transportation 20,000 rupees, medical 20,000 rupees, legal expenses.
I'm not
flight
able to
charge,
find it at 237.
230.
Household day-to-day
Nice.
expenses.
Day-to-day expenses as per
50,000.
bill, as on the day.
Transportation 20,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Medical expenses 20,000.
20,000.
Why is she spending medical expenses 20,000 a month?
Because she was depressed, and for depression itself, she has been lost.
How is he working now? With depression?
Now she is working. She is a little bit out of depression. So
Yeah,
now
legal
she is-
expenses and flight charges 25,000 per month. 1,50,000, 15,000. Why you wanted 3.5 lakhs?
Well, for rented house, I am living in my brother's house. For renting that house, 50,000 rupees per month rent has to be paid. That is that rent was sought in the year February 2018, my lord. Rental expenses. Advance I have sought. I am using a car where the car loan exceeds. Car loan is My lord, at page number,
When did you buy that car?
it was in the year 2022 or 2015. One is
How did you- how
Ford
did you-
Fiesta Tata Harrier
Buy when
22.
You do not have any income.
My lord,
35 lakhs loan itself.
in 2022, my lord, I was to go to office and I was not having it. In 2015, Ford car was there. And now I have purchased from 2015 till today, it has been older. Standard of living, she was living the past, it was
That is
clearly
true.
hampered, my lord.
No, that is true.
My lord,
For buying the car, you need to have money.
my lord,
You need to pay the EMI even before.
EMI is there,
even
my lord.
before the
Loan is,
maintenance is awarded, you bought everything.
my lord, to meet the standards, my lord. If husband is in a very high standard, that much standard he has
That's
to
what you
maintain.
wanted to make, then you would have been.
No, not agitating so much. 8 crore rupees is a very big. And car loans is around.
What do you say?
Let's
No
give me one
adjournment, no
chance.
adjournment for that.
Let's keep it day after tomorrow. We'll
And
go on with the
thereafter-
matter.
Thereafter, my lord,
We'll go on with the matter. Let's see if there are many more points. The marriage actually lasted only for 6 months.
my lord,
Might be.
6 months. Let's see if she is earning. They are making false contentions that she was not allowed to work. In her WS itself, she has admitted that she was going to office, she was working. In her evidence also, she has said that from 2016 onwards, she was doing the jobs. There are many materials that we want to point out. Let's see.
my lord, every time this advocate has contended that only 6 months, 6 months, 6 months. As of their assets and liabilities separation, there is a date
Yes,
given, my lord.
I'm telling both of you, I will either I dismiss or allow, I'll impose costs on both the parties
My lord, I insist to
for
read.
these kind of litigation. And for this adjournments. And for advocate coming, why advocate Hyderabad in Bangalore are not available?
We are handling all the matters
What
of
is
these
the-
parties from Bombay.
My
to
lord,
Supreme Court
It's
till
for the
Bombay.
work.
I
How
plead
many
Karnataka.
earlier matters court has passed orders? No, because the party is in a position to engage the advocate, just like that litigating. Well, the purpose of it is all something else, not for people who have money and who want to fight and go around the courts. Pose this matter tomorrow.
My lord, I insist this honorable court to read my memos, what they have filed before the family court.
No, this, I'm telling you, I'll tell your client also, I'm going to impose costs on her also.
My lord,
That's for the sake of fighting the litigation.
despite several time granted by this honorable court,
Tomorrow it will come. Tomorrow we'll pass orders. Both of you will have to face
my lord,
same order next month.
I insist only one memo to be read, my lord.
Tomorrow I'll read everything.
Much obliged.
Yes.
For 25 adjourned, 26 AM Anand.